So you've got big goals, right? Maybe you want to exercise more or study regularly or just eat healthier on a regular basis. But the big question is, how do you turn these aspirations into habits that actually stick around? Hello everyone, my name is Shramika. I'm an engineer by profession and a seeker by passion. Today we are diving into one of the most sought after topics, how to start a new habit and actually stick with it. We are going to break it down into 3 pieces. First, we'll talk about the power of commitment and how just giving 30 days to yourself can make all the difference. Next, we'll talk about the importance of consistency and how we can build a new habit as seamlessly as possible. And finally, we'll share some practical tips and tricks that will help you overcome obstacles and stay on track. Plus, stick around till the end of the video because I've got a bonus tip for you which you would not want to miss. Alright, let's dive in. So you've probably heard that it takes about 21 days to form a habit, right? But recent research suggests that it might take slightly longer, 30 days to be precise. Studies have shown that committing to 30 days of consistent behavior can make that habit automatic. Imagine that, just 1 month to change your life. And here's a staggering statistic for you. Did you know that up to 92% of people who set goals do not achieve them? But by committing to just 30 days of a new habit, you're already ahead of the game. Now let's delve deeper into this. By committing to a habit for 30 days, you're essentially rewiring your brain. You're creating a new neural pathways that support this behavior, making it easier to stick over time. Research also suggests that during this initial 30-day period, your brain releases dopamine, which is the feel-good neurotransmitter, every single time you successfully complete that new habit. This reinforces the behavior and motivates you to keep going. Now let's talk about consistency. It's not just enough to do your new habit occasionally. You have to make it a daily practice. Whether it's hitting the gym, studying for that exam, or drinking water regularly. Doing it every day for those 30 days is crucial. Consistency is key because it helps reinforce that habit loop in your brain. And speaking of habits, what is life? Life is just a regular sum of your habits. Everything from your fitness level to your happiness to your success, everything is determined by your habits. So the primary question is, how do you stay consistent? Well, there are quite a few ways for you to maintain that consistency in any habit. Let's discuss a few of these now, and you can pick and choose the ones that you think will fit you the best. One strategy is to create a habit tracker. This can be as simple as marking off each day on a calendar when you complete that habit, or if you want to go one step beyond and create a fancy physical habit tracker, you can do that. Or if you want to go digital, there are many apps like Notion, Habitica, Streaks, or the good old Excel sheet. The essential part here is seeing that line of streak, the chain of streak. You would not want to break that, and that will force you to perform that habit the next day, thereby making you consistent for at least 30 days. Another tip is to pair your new habit with an existing old habit. This is famously called habit stacking in the book Atomic Habits. What this essentially means is, like, say for example, you want to start meditating. So you would start to meditate immediately after you have brushed your teeth in the morning. This helps you integrate this new habit into your already existing daily routine. I have a series of videos on the book Atomic Habits. I'll link them here. Do check them out after this video. You can also try accountability partners or joining communities that share similar goals. Sharing your progress and challenges with others can provide a lot of motivation and support along the way. You can also try to block regular times on your calendar to practice the behavior you want to build into a habit. This is called time blocking. Be sure not to overdo it initially. If you dive in too fast and expect the results right away, odds are you will fail and become discouraged even before you begin. Temptation bundling is a nudge that aims to make obligatory tasks more enjoyable. The concept itself was coined by the researcher Katie Milkman and her colleagues and is fairly straightforward. Take an activity that you don't like to do and something you do enjoy. Now bundle them together. So what this would look like in a regular life is like you take an activity that gives you instant gratification, like scrolling on Instagram, listening to music, or binging on your favorite podcast episode, and take an activity that's not so fun but definitely essential, like running on a treadmill or doing household chores or filling out a spreadsheet. Now bundle them together. You get to do the fun activity only in tandem with the not so fun activity. Alright, now let's wrap it up with some practical tips to help you stay on track. First up, start simple. Don't overwhelm yourself. Don't overwhelm yourself by trying to change everything at once. Start small and build from there. Next, remind yourself, Place reminders everywhere in your environment to remind you to stay on track with your new habit. And lastly, get a buddy. Having someone to keep you motivated and accountable can make all the difference. And for that bonus tip that I promised you, show yourself compassion. Remember, forming a new habit is no joke. It will take time. So do show yourself compassion if you slip up along the way. You've got this. And most importantly, rewards are an important part of habit formation. When we brush our teeth, the reward is immediate, a minty, fresh mouth. But some rewards like weight loss or physical changes from exercise take time to show up. That's why it helps to build in some intermediate rewards for you to show up every day. Listening to audiobooks while running or watching your favorite cookery show on the treadmill can help reinforce that exercise as an habit. Or plan an exercise date with a friend, so the reward is time with a friend. You can get creative as much as you want, as long as the end goal of forming that habit is met. So there you have it, folks. The key to starting a new habit and sticking with it. Commit to 30 days, make it daily, and show yourself some compassion along the way. If you found this video useful, then please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more such content like this. If you enjoyed this video, then I'm sure you will enjoy several other videos on my channel. I have an entire playlist dedicated to building and mastering habits. I will link it here. Do check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again next week. Until then, happy learning and bye.